Hello everyone, here's another video on the strategy for financial markets. This chart has been used before on the TC market, but we're going to use in financial markets. To see how the position for the strategies on for this analysis works, there will be 1 to 1 minute at most. Alright, let's push it up the line chart. Here's the line chart, and the line chart basically tells me or shows me a trend over time, up or down trend. We're gonna use that. I can mark, well, change the frame here. Okay, that's 15 seconds. Let's do that. Every 15 seconds, we're gonna change that. I can bigger see the structure. All right. There's no one I need to see in the macro. Let's see that 10 or so with that time. Or the view, right? So that's good. Okay, let's work with trend line, resistance, and so on. Let's mark support. And the support, I think it might be around here. Every 30 seconds, 10, 30, 10, 30. All right, good. Look at a strong statement right here, guys. Look at that, the both lines. The weight is falling. Well, the market trend is rising, measures the price where support is. Let's put the fractal indicator. Let's see the fractal. Here's the fractal. Let's put it in the frame for over this. Yes, for pure good, and what tells me the entry is not down. Here is telling me the entry is up. Look at that. If you see the market, but I have to wait for these strategies to simply look at the chart. See where the interdences were, the intersection on that. See where the price is trying to fall, not longer falls, guys. Pay attention on this. Okay, we need to wait for that. Look, it's giving me an entry where it's going up. Well, I'm going to wait because even though the mouse is giving me an entry, the trend is down, right? Well, look, the price is breaking the zone, so I would wait for it to come back here, more or less, and then I would enter on the downside. If you see it like this, because theoretically this become resistance. Okay, go short. 1 minute to go short. The idea is to get it as close as there as possible, right? But since it is 1 minute, I'm gonna take a bit of a gamble. Look at the prime. Okay, the prices could go back on that here, maybe for profit, right? Wait a little longer, enter higher, enter as close to the zone as possible, not to avoid losing, right? 30 seconds for that, guys, for the first one, 34. I know the one I entered before, but look. The chart is already deciding where to lower it. Let's see. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That is good. Look at that, guys. There's no secret for that one. That is completely efficient. Okay. So let's wait for that. Almost 6 seconds for this. Good position gain on that. Let's wait. And although the trend is more or less the same in the entry, guys, what it should be very close to resistance zone, the trend line. Wow, or it could increase that. $31.79 on my count. Let's see, let's trust in the little. Let's put in here like this. The price is breaking. Okay, let's change the value for that. For now, it is 6. All right, let's see what's happening in that. So it's a bad or no. The bad thing is trying to adjust this and change very quickly, right? That's complicated, my view. I adjust this change very quickly, guys. So the same thing here is good. Here's more or less if this trend line. Now look what it does. Not after the entry is very close to the rejection. It's fall below and look, it's rise quickly and breaks. It breaks out of this. That is the level at which you could consider entries or trend line. More than around here, not close at the area, and ought to be very close at the area, if you see that. All right? Look at that. And now we have this again. Okay? I'm going to wait for a second entry while I get it. I will take it and explain it for this video. I only make 3 entries. I've made 1 so far, and we have another possible entry on that, and can't see it after the looks is going up in kind of the channel. And we have right here, let's mark another line here. Wait to see what it does. When it's not doing anything there, it's a break that will give me the next one on this. Look at something here, guys. The price was going up here at the broker because of the point in step 1. Let's see the price goes back. Look at it goes back again. When it rejects the support zone, I go up. I go up here. In this case, I would have entered on the upside. Close the red line which is there. Look at this, man. That's the point for us. Resistance has become support. Notice that the price is compressing to 1 point. Here's the reject me here. Well, the fractals markets, my entry more or less there. Very close to there. I could wait a little longer and go a little further. The thing is this, it's can wait off 1, so no. Well, here, 22. Or 222, right? We need to wait for that. You can see that's much better if you want to see like this, so that doesn't vary so much. But anyway, I think that is enough. Okay, that's pretty good, guys. So 20 seconds, we got this for now. That's respecting our position. That's good. All right, we can wait for that. If you want to see this like that, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is good. And position gain is again, guys, new position on that. $57 off profits. Half position gain already is stop rising new position gain in the finance market, guys. I think I'm starting to understand how that works. That's giving me a good sign. I don't know. She's using it a lot. How a lot here at the structure. Maybe some people don't see that. Look here. All right. And that is not support and resistance. I'm not going to wait for that. No, it's not. It's breaking here, but I have to wait, right? But it's break. Important point to that hold continuous. Look here, guys. I think this could be another entry. Look at it. Start to work here, and that's happening. What does that mean? It could be possible entry to the downside. Let's see. I'm going to wait for it to come back. If it's come back here, it's a downside entry. Would be wait for the fractal to appear again and wait for the last position, right? They could be wait. I've already made a new low in the short term. I keep waiting to see that. Let's see right now. Waiting patience. Patience, that's the point. It's going down very sharply. Well, let's hope it's right at the halfway point. Let's see that, guys. Now to make this position, we need to get short of that. So let's hope that. Let's see if it's coming back halfway. Let's see that. Well, I ain't short, guys. So, but when I try to strongly reject the zone, perhaps, seeing all this, I would have entered here much early, but I didn't need the confirmation of the movement. Before entry, fractal on that one mark the entry for me, the entry will be given when it passes 6 candles. Theoretically, but not happen. I wait for a pullback. When it falls like that, we'll wait for the pullback and try to enter high as possible. I don't know how much is going up to here or here, but I gave it a good time as long as they confirm the trend. All right, look at that. Look at the price here as movement.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
It's just moving look here. It's clear this candle is very strong, right? If the candles, the ones I have already written here, close like that. And look at this, guys. Another position, right? $107 on that. That's not good. I have the last position gain on that. 17 to 107. The trend line support, simple resistance. I'm not using anything new. You guys may have already tried this and look more or less than the zone. Well, the upper wide end here, that's pause, smaller chart, the downwind, enter on the resist zone. Very different from what I'm seeing on the chart. Lines may be different view for those watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the video, guys. Turn off the comments. Turn on the notification. Let me know if it worked for you. So I've tried this chart. I wish you very luck trade sessions, guys. See you in the next live session and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.